This device protects and allows me to use the old HDD as an external drive. This is hard drive disk SATA external enclosure case for USB HDD 2.5-inch SATA to USB 3.0. It's compatible to Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. Full transparent design. Supports 2.5-inch SATA HDD 2.0 and 3.0 and SATA SSD. To use, open the lid, insert the hard drive, and cover with the lid. Connect this end of the supplied cable to the device and the other end to the USB port on the computer. Now, the computer is reading the old HDD. And these are the folders inside the old HDD. And these are the files inside a folder. So this device is working, and now I can use the old HDD as an external drive or backup drive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.